Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You'll begin by verifying prerequisites. Confirm the box model and current firmware, and free at least 1 GB of storage. Connect to a stable Wi-Fi or use Ethernet, and keep the power plugged in so the device won't shut off mid-update. Once done, enable developer options and activate USB debugging only if you plan to sideload an OTA file. This ensures the update path you choose will be compatible and reduces the risk of a failed installation. You'll next get the update file and start installation. If using the built-in updater, go to Settings right arrow about right arrow System Update and check for the official OTA. Apply it when available. If sideloading, download the exact firmware for your model, verify the checksum to prevent corrupt installs, and use ADB sideload from a PC. Make sure you follow on-screen prompts precisely and do not power off, unplug, or interrupt the process to avoid bricking the box. You'll finish by rebooting and confirming the new firmware version under Settings right arrow about. Check that apps run normally and settings are intact. If the update fails, first try wiping the cache partition and reapplying the update. This often fixes transient issues. If problems persist, perform a factory reset only after restoring backups and record any error codes or messages to share with support. Make sure to keep a current backup so you can recover quickly if troubleshooting escalates.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.